What is the craziest experiments done in the name of science? Karl P. Schmidt, a renowned American herpetologist, chose to dedicate his final moments to science when faced with death, demonstrating remarkable dedication to his work. In September 1957, the Lincoln Park Zoo brought a 30-inch snake to the Chicago Natural History Museum, seeking help with its identification. Schmidt, who was highly respected in the field of herpetology and had several species named after him, agreed to examine the snake. On September 25, Schmidt observed that the snake was African, with bright patterns and a head shape similar to a boomslang, a venomous snake from sub-Saharan Africa. However, he was unsure if it was a boomslang because the snake's anal plate was undivided. A feature inconsistent with that species. While examining the snake, Schmidt made a fateful decision. He picked it up for a closer look, but the snake suddenly bit him on the left thumb, leaving 2 small puncture wounds. Instead of seeking medical help, Schmidt, ever the dedicated scientist, began documenting the effects of the venom in his journal. Within 24 hours, he would be dead. Schmidt may have underestimated the severity of the bite. He took a train home and continued noting his symptoms in detail. 4:30 to 5:30 p.m., strong nausea, no vomiting. Took a suburban train trip. 5:30 to 6:30 p.m., experienced chills, shaking, fever of 101.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Bleeding from the gums began around 5:30, 8:30 p.m., ate 2 pieces of milk toast, 9 p.m. to 12:20 a.m., slept well. Urinated at 12:20 a.m., mostly blood. Drank water at 4:30 a.m., followed by violent nausea and vomiting. Felt better and slept until 6:30 a.m. The next morning, Schmidt carried on with his routine, eating breakfast and continuing to document the venom's effects. September 26, 6:30 a.m., ate cereal, poached eggs on toast, applesauce, and coffee for breakfast. Noted continuous bleeding from the mouth and nose, though not excessively. Excessively was the last word Schmidt wrote. After lunch, he vomited, called his wife, and soon became unresponsive. Despite attempts to revive him, Schmidt was pronounced dead at 3 p.m., the cause being respiratory paralysis. Boomslang venom is terrifyingly potent, just 0.0006 milligrams can kill a bird within minutes. The venom causes internal bleeding, leading to a slow and agonizing death. Schmidt's autopsy revealed that his lungs, eyes, heart, kidneys, and brain were all hemorrhaging. The Chicago Daily Tribune later revealed that Schmidt had been advised to seek medical help but refused, saying, "No, that would upset the symptoms." Some say Schmidt's death was a tragic case of curiosity overcoming caution. Others believe that, knowing the antivenom was only available in Africa, Schmidt simply accepted his fate, continuing his life's work until the very end.